If your graduation regalia includes a hood, you can practice putting this on by simply placing the hood around your neck and shoulders so that it hangs down your back with the velvet portion displayed. And then fasten the cord on the front of the hood to your shirt, dress, or gown to keep it off your neck. Be sure the hood is folded outward so the stripes show. The bottom part of the hood has a bit of a tail or dangler. Some people make the mistake of turning this inside out. If your hood looks like this, with the tube of fabric that's not sewn on to anything, then it's inside out. So just turn it around the other way, so it looks like this. Also, if your regalia includes a stole or cord, the stole goes on first and the cord on top of that, and then the hood goes on last. Well, that's it. Now, come graduation day, you can look your best for the crowd as well as the cameras. Congratulations!